I'm gonna show you how you can set up stream avatars. I made a video about this before, but that's so long ago that it's really outdated. So it was time for a new one. What we need to do is we go to Steam and we buy stream avatars. It's not that expensive and we start it up. Then you will see a lot of general settings here, which can be really intimidating when you start. What we start with is viewer spawning. What this means is who gets an avatar in your stream. For me, that's people who follow, but you can set it on everybody who's watching, subscribers, or people that you have whitelisted yourself. And then you can say they have to be in chat or they have to be actively chatting. Then here we can see limited viewer spawn is 80. This means there's only 80 characters allowed right now. You can set this on something else. Keep in mind that if you put this number really high, your PC might have trouble running it, or you will see so many avatars that you can't actually see them anymore. The viewers despawn after 300. This is the time that it takes for viewers to despawn if they're not followers in your chat anymore. This is the avatars enabled profile. This means that the avatars that you grouped, which group do you want to display? So we can say all, but you can also make a group for different reasons. Like if you play a different game, like Overwatch, you can have an Overwatch avatar group. If you want Overwatch avatars, I do have some free ones on the Steam Workshop. I'll leave a link underneath the video to them if you want them. Okay, here we have Windows settings. You want to make sure that you keep this on 1920 x 1080. This is the resolution your OBS canvas is in. You want to lock the resolution because otherwise if you would move this like this, the resolution would change. But now it locks back to 1080p. If you do not do this, basically what happens is that the source in OBS gets modified as well and it wouldn't fit on your screen anymore. You can make it full screen, but I would not recommend that as you don't want it to be the main thing you having on your screen. Scale UI resolution, I would definitely leave these off. Hide mouse well minimized, you can do that so people don't see your mouse when you go over this. And then we have connect on startup. What this means is the program will start when you start your PC. So if you stream a lot, this might be a good option. Otherwise, just keep in mind to start the stream avatars. Otherwise, they won't be on your screen. There's a lot more settings here, like avatar settings and event settings. Avatar settings are basically for things like chatting, if they pop up messages, pinned avatars, bombs, fart sounds, hugs, actions, dance actions, all that kind of stuff. Then events are for follow events. We have donation events, subscriber events here. Then we have data settings. We can basically say, does it need to cloud save? So you can open it on a different PC as well. And the days before backup. And these are all have to do with the program itself. Viewer extension panel. If people have this viewer extension on, this is what they see. And you can customize all the lines as well. Now we go to login details. This is the important part. What you want to do is you want to select your streaming platform. For me, that's Twitch.tv. You can also allow multiple platforms if you do multi-streaming. Then we have channel off. What we need to do is we need to log in, platform login, click on this and log in with our Twitch and authenticate stream avatars. Then we log in with our bot account. If you do not have a bot account, log in with your normal account. If you do not know how to make a bot account, what you do is you basically make a new Twitch account and call it, for example, TreeBot for me. And then you log in with that account. And then we have check authorizations and then we can test them here. And we can see that they become green and they're tested. This is basically how you connect the stream avatars to your Twitch. Keep in mind that if you have this not on connect, if you haven't clicked on connect, it's not connecting to your Twitch and you won't see the avatars. So to make sure that it connects, we click on connect and we basically see this with the avatar spawn, and then you know it actually connected, and we can see that there is 3 people in my chat right now, me and 2 other people that are in my chat hanging out. Don't know why, but and we can disconnect here as well. This is where we can select a custom background, and we can do some quick cool actions here as well. I'm gonna disconnect just to show you a couple more things. I want to include as many basic things as I can in this video, and I will make more videos about some more specific things because I don't want you to feel overwhelmed with the amount of information. I want you to just be able to set up and go with this tutorial. And if you want to do some more advanced stuff, I definitely recommend you watch the other tutorials. Bot commands, mini games, those are all things we're going to go over in different videos. Then we have the Steam Workshop here. This is where you can download avatars. So for example, the Overwatch ones. Here we go. These are my Overwatch ones. We got the Overwatch pixel art characters from Tree. That's me. And by clicking on download here, we can download them. You want to import? Here we go. Success. And now we should go to avatars and gears and we should be able to see avatars here as well. So we have Mercy here. we've got Hanzo here. Let's see, which one? McCree, which is Cassidy by now, but you know, I've made them a while ago, okay? But you can see that there's some Overwatch characters in here right now that you can use. If everything goes alright, you would see this immediately where it snaps to these frames. If it doesn't do that, make sure to put 32 by 32 and apply and scale by 1. Then it should be doing this, what you're seeing here right now. And it basically cuts the sprite so it has frame by frame. Okay, we have sounds here that we can add. Backgrounds. Okay, this is another important thing, but I'm not going to go over this in this video because you can just use the custom background for now. Same with name tags. And we can import and export things here for saving on a different PC or something like that. And then we got shop editing. This is basically some points that people can gather and they can buy avatars with them basically. And we can also edit some users. We can blacklist some. So these are the people that don't get points and don't show up in my stream avatars because I don't want, you know, I don't want my bots to show up. That would be a little bit weird. And if we want to delete an avatar like McCree here, we can just go here and click on delete. Rodok here. Delete. Okay, I should have only my Nintendo characters now. These are my own custom avatars. If you want to make custom avatars, you can do that yourself as well, or commission somebody to do that. I'll leave a link to a video right here. So what we need to do to actually connect these avatars now is just click on connect here and they spawn. And then we go to OBS, and if we click on the plus, we can add a game capture. Okay, called stream avatars. You choose a specific window, and here we choose the stream avatars. And allow transparency. That's really important. If you don't do that, as you see, there is this gray box around it. But if we allow the transparency, the gray box disappears. And then if we press OK, we can see these are our avatars. We could make them smaller if we want to, but I would recommend just keeping it full screen because now it goes all over the bottom of our screen. This is how I've added my stream avatars to my stream. I'm definitely going to make more videos that show you how to do more stuff in stream avatars because it's a complicated program and it can do so much as long as you know how to do it. But I just wanted to make sure that you know how to set up the basics. So definitely jump into this playlist where I explain more about stream avatars. See you there.